Our lives move like high-speed trains, fast, relentless, demanding. The world outside rushes past the windows, blared lights, fading landscapes, moments gone before we can even notice them. The modern world pushes us forward with no pause, no brief, no space to simply be. Day after day, our hands don't shape or create. They only press buttons, rush across keyboards, sweep at glowing screens. But somewhere inside, we all long for something slower, something simple, something human. So today, I invite you to step off the speeding train for a moment, to fold time into paper, to listen to the silence hidden between the creases, to let your hands remember what it feels like to make. Every great journey begins with a single step, and ours begins with a small paper boat. My name is Mariam. I came from the East, from a land where stories and symbols have traveled across centuries, where simple objects carry hidden meaning, and where paper itself once carried poetry. Here on Once Upon a Fold, I bring those stories into your hands, not just through words, but through the quiet movement of folding. Origami for me is more than a skill. It's a pause in the noise. It's a reminder that even in the smallest act, we can find presence, focus, and meaning. When I was a child, folding paper felt impossible. My lines were crooked. My boat sank before they touched water. Still, I wanted more. I could draw creatures and dreams on paper, but I wanted them to rise, to breathe, to have a soul. Now I don't chase perfect lines anymore. Each fold is a step forward. A little uneven, a little fragile, but alive. And in every crease, I find joy. As I fold this paper, I think of life. Every crease gives the both more strength. Just as every choice shapes who we are. Halfway through, It doesn't look like a boat at all. Just awkward corners and unfinished shapes. But if we keep folding, keep trusting, the form begins to appear. This is how journeys are built, through patience, persistence, and the courage to continue. And here it is, our little boat. Small, ordinary, yet filled with possibility. It reminds me that beginnings don't have to be grand. They just need to be honest. This boat is our first step, yours and mine. If this boat speaks to you, come sail with me. Subscribe to Once Upon a Fold. Together, we will fold the paper and unfold meaning step by step, crease by crease, on a journey we share.